Hey everyone, I'm Elizabeth, one of the stylists here at Charlie Goss Style, and today I'm going to chat a little bit about a fall capsule wardrobe. We are in that time of the season where we're transitioning into fall weather, and that means changing our clothing as well. Having a solid capsule wardrobe is really, really important to have. These are pieces that you want to invest in. These aren't the trendy pieces that you want to spend less money on. You actually want to invest in your capsule wardrobe. They are the pieces that are the foundation to your wardrobe. They are the building blocks. You can build any outfit with them. We want to keep them in neutral colors, your whites, blacks, grays, navies, creams, browns, stripes, those sorts of things, because all of those colors will mix and match perfectly together. I'm going to take you through the pieces that you're going to want to include in your fall capsule wardrobe. And then after that, I'm going to style several outfits for you, showing you just how easy and how many outfits you can make with a capsule wardrobe. As stylists, we find that when we work with clients that have a really great capsule wardrobe, we are able to create, style, and build the most amount of outfits for them, simply because you can mix and match all of these pieces, creating endless outfits. You can still have fun with color and pattern and play with trends, but you don't want to invest a ton of money into those pieces, especially trendy items. We don't recommend jumping on all of the trends that you see that come along. There are so many. What we do suggest is you playing around with the trends that you feel most confident and comfortable with. And because you have a really great capsule wardrobe to work with, your trendy pieces, colorful pieces, and pattern pieces will fit seamlessly into it. So let's just go down the rack and see what pieces you want to include in your fall capsule wardrobe. First, you're going to want to include a couple tank tops. Yes, the weather is going to start to cool off and tank tops might not be ideal, but they are great to layer under sweaters and blazers. So a black and a white is a perfect starting point. Along with your black and white tank top, you're also going to want to include a black and white t-shirt. You can also throw in a gray and a striped one if you like to. Obviously, long sleeve t-shirts are great layering pieces, especially when it's not too cold yet, but it's too cold to wear a t-shirt. So a black and white, gray, striped, any of those will work for you. Everyone loves a button down. We do suggest including a white button down. It's very versatile. It can be worn over outfits, buttons undone. It can be worn as your shirt, leaving a couple buttons undone at the bottom and a couple buttons undone at the top, or you can tuck it in to your pants. We also love a striped button down. This one here is cropped. A cropped button down is really great for a high-waisted trouser or a high-waisted jean, but if cropped is not your thing, you can go for a full-length version as well. We do love a fine knit cardigan. This is also a really versatile piece. You can wear it as a shirt, leaving the buttons fully done up. You can undo a couple of the bottom buttons or a couple of the top buttons. You can unbutton the whole thing with a tank top underneath, or even just do up the top button. Very versatile piece and a great piece to have in your wardrobe. Great for transitional weather. You can wear it over top of a t-shirt or a tank top. You can drape it over your shoulders, and also a heavier knit. This one's not too chunky. As we head into winter, a nice chunky knit would be a great alternative, but for the fall months, this is a great option. A denim shirt is also something that you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. It can be worn as an overshirt, undone over top of a t-shirt or a tank top, or you can wear it done up as a top. Very versatile piece. It's also fairly thin. Now you want to invest in a denim shirt that isn't too thin, but isn't too thick. You want to have has some nice weight to it, but also has some movement. What's great about a denim shirt too is you could literally dress it up with a trouser and a tank top, but you can also toss this on over top of a sweatsuit and look great as well. Next up are blazers. Blazers are an essential part of our wardrobe. Definitely invest in a good blazer as you'll wear it over and over again, but having a couple of blazers in your arsenal is great. It doesn't have to just be black or gray. You could include brown, you could include cream, whatever speaks to you. But black would definitely be the first one that I would be adding if you don't already have a blazer. Next up is denim. Denim is obviously an essential part of our wardrobe. We reach for them time and time again. As the warmer months start to come to an end, we definitely will be reaching for the darker washes as opposed to the lighter washes. So a mid to dark wash denim is always a really great option to have. A straight leg is what I would recommend. Same goes for a pair of black denim. Having a solid black denim is great. You can go for a lighter wash if you want, but solid black denim is great. Also great for the office if you can wear jeans to work. We cannot forget about a trouser. A trouser is the perfect addition to your wardrobe if you don't already have one. In the past, we thought of trousers just as office wear, professional attire, wearing it with a buttoned-up blazer. That's no longer the case. You can pair your trouser with a sneaker, an oversized tee, any way you like, it works. Faux leather pants are always a really, really great option to have, especially heading into this fall where leather is all the rage. But you can really think of leather as a neutral. It pairs with everything. Again, you can dress this up and you can dress this down. Having a maxi skirt in your capsule wardrobe is a really, really great idea. You're headed into fall, so having a longer silhouette is perfect. Help keep your legs a little bit warm. It also has that classic elegance to it as well. We especially love it with a silk or satin finish. A knit dress is also a great piece to include in your capsule wardrobe. You can wear this on its own, you could toss a blazer over top, you could put the denim shirt over top of it, or drape a sweater over your shoulders. It's very, very versatile. Next up is a faux leather jacket. Now I've got a cropped bomber style here. You don't have to go with that one. There's so many different types of faux leather jackets that you can invest in, so just pick the one that speaks to you. A classic long length styled trench coat is always the perfect piece to have in your fall wardrobe. It works with everything from office wear to sweatpants. Great jacket to wear running through the airport. It's a classic staple and will never go out of style. Next up is having a black belt. A belt can really just finish off a whole look, so it's definitely something that you're gonna wanna have in your wardrobe. Having a brown belt is also a good idea as well. Next up are shoes. I've got a pair of kitten-heeled booties here. You could do a flat boot or a kitten heel, it's up to you. Something that goes over the ankles is ideal with either a pointed toe or a square toe. The key thing to remember though is to have an elongated toe box to help lengthen your legs. Next up, you're gonna wanna include a loafer into your footwear. You could go with a black, a brown, whatever speaks to you. If you find that you gravitate more towards browns and creams and things like that, then go for a brown. You don't need to choose a black, but a loafer, a slimline loafer is something that you are gonna want to invest in. Sneakers, you cannot go wrong with a pair of sneakers. Everyone needs a pair of good sneakers. They can be dressed up or down. You can wear them with a trouser, or you can wear them with a pair of jeans, or throw them on with a maxi satin skirt. A kitten heel is also something that you're gonna wanna add to your footwear lineup. You can do a slingback, a pump, a mule, whatever speaks to you, but definitely include a pair. And lastly, you're gonna want to include a flat. You can do a ballet flat, a Mary Jane. It doesn't just have to be black. You could choose cream, brown, again, whatever speaks to you. Super versatile, very comfortable, and definitely on trend. A couple of bags that you are going to want to include in your fall capsule wardrobe is a tote bag. They're so easy. You can fit so many things in them. We love the shape of this one. Something that you can easily throw your daily items into is what you want to look for. Something that's got a little bit of structure to it as well. We do love a slouchy tote. They are very on trend at present time, but if you're going to include it in your capsule wardrobe, look for something with a little more structure that is a little bit more classic in shape. It will hold up and withstand the test of time. And last but not least is a shoulder bag. Something that's just easy to pop on over your shoulder. You're on the go, you're out going out for dinner, you're meeting the girls. You just need to toss in, your phone, your lip gloss, your wallet. That's what you need for a shoulder bag. So before I style some outfits for you using these capsule pieces, I do want to mention again that you do want to invest in your fall capsule wardrobe. These are pieces that you're gonna wear season after season after season, year after year after year. They will never go out of style and you're always going to reach for them. We don't want them falling apart. We don't want the edges fraying. So definitely invest in your capsule wardrobe. And again, your trendier pieces, spend less money on those as you might only get a couple of seasons out of them. Okay, so up next, I am going to style some outfits for you using the capsule pieces that are here beside me, just to kind of give you an idea of how easy it is to create outfits using only capsule pieces. So stay tuned. as you can see, I was able to style several outfits using just the basics capsule beside me. I didn't even get into everything on this rack. I could easily have styled 20 to 30 more outfits using just the pieces on this rack and the shoes below. Thanks for following along with me, and biggest takeaway is invest in your fall capsule wardrobe. It's gonna last you for years and years, and you wanna make sure you have solid basics, as it truly is the foundation to your wardrobe. There will also be a link in our bio where you can download our fall capsule guide for free to get all of the pieces you need for your fall capsule wardrobe. If you have any questions or comments, pop them into the comment section below, and we hope you have a great day.